The Note 20 will have both 4G and 5G versions, the former being ever so slightly cheaper. Regardless of that, you'll be getting a 6.7-inch 1080x2400 Super AMOLED touchscreen with 60Hz refresh rate, so clearly this is a step down from the Note 20 Ultra. The theme continues with the most baffling speculation of this leak. Apparently the Note 20 will have a metal frame but a plastic back. That means Samsung may position it as a much more affordable device than the Ultra. Hopefully. Anyway, back to specs. There's still an ultrasonic fingerprint reader under the display, the same one from the S20 series. In Europe, the Note 20 will be powered by Samsung's Exynos 990, the same chipset that's at the heart of the S20 family in markets that don't get a Snapdragon. The Note 20 pairs that with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of non-expandable storage. There's also no headphone jack. Unsurprisingly, the main rear camera has a 12MP f/1.8 sensor with huge 1.8-pixel size, and dual-pixel autofocus. An ultra-wide camera joins it, with f/2.2 aperture and 1.4 pixels. There's also a 64MP 3x zoom cam, with f/2.0 aperture and 1 pixels. 30x hybrid zoom will be offered, and support for 8K video recording is baked into. On the front, a 10MP selfie snapper sits inside the centered hole punch. This has dual-pixel autofocus too, and an f/2.2 aperture, as well as 1.22 pixels. The phone will be IP68 certified, being able to survive in up to 1.5 m of water for up to 30 minutes. It also has dual SIM as well as eSIM support, and a 4300 mAh battery which will charge from 0 to 50% in 30 minutes with the included adapter in the box. Wireless charging and reverse wireless charging are on board too. The S Pen has 26 milliseconds latency, which is higher than that of the Note 20 Ultra's stylus. As with the bigger, more expensive sibling, expect a lot of the marketing to focus on cloud gaming, since this model will also be optimized for use with Microsoft's Project X Cloud and Xbox Game Pass. The two companies will also collaborate around Office apps and wireless decks. Unsurprisingly, the Note 20 will run Android 10 with One UI 2.x on top. The 5G model should be unveiled first, at the August 5th online event, and will arrive in Europe in Mystic Bronze, Mystic Grey, and Mystic Green.